What's the meaning of aspect? Aspect. Aspect.
Aspect. Aspect. Aspect refers to a particular feature or characteristic of something that can be observed, analyzed, or discussed. It is a way of looking at a thing or situation from a specific angle or perspective. Aspects can be physical, such as the color or shape of an object, or abstract, such as the emotional tone of a conversation. Understanding different aspects of a subject can lead to a more comprehensive and nuanced understanding of it. Overall, aspect is a fundamental concept in many fields, including linguistics, mathematics, and philosophy.